It's mail time. We've got a parcel. This could be good. So I know what it is, but you don't yet. It's a new Kabuto helmet. This is the Akiyoshi replica Kabuto Aeroblade-V. So I've done a little bit of stuff on these already from the launch, and this one's for me to try out and test on Cycle Talk. So I'll be wearing this one. So let's have a look. This is the helmet, visor, bag, and all that's left is bits of foam, padding, protection. So this is the helmet. Now it's a matte finish, which I thought was really great. Awesome graphics, beautiful colours, nice mix of colours. So that was the one I really liked the look of. So take that off, and we've got a clear visor, nose protection built in there. Now for me, glasses, having these slots in here lets you slide the glasses straight in there really easily. And in the bag, in the box I mean, we've got the breath guard, goes under there. We've got the Kabuto sticker, that'll go on one of my camera boxes. Instruction sheet for how to change visors and that sort of thing. And here, this is an extra, is a tinted visor. Now I like to have a tinted visor, especially for tracks and going hard. Now these Aeroblade-5s, they can be fully pulled apart for cleaning and things like that. Beautiful lining, really nice helmet. Have a look at my other video from the introduction of it, and keep an eye on Cycle Talk for a full review when I've had a chance to do a few miles wearing it. Thanks for watching.